Welcome to a Now Explain Rough Cut video. This video is part of our manual bookkeeping series. You can find related videos on our YouTube channel or search the internet for a Now Explain Rough Cut. So now, let's get explaining. Source documents. What are source documents? What are source documents and the purpose of source documents? The source documents, paper or electronic, are the original documents that contain the details that will support the transactions that will have to be recorded by the bookkeeper in the daybooks. The bookkeeper will use these source documents to extract financial information, the values, supplier information, customer information, or other information to record in the daybooks. Source document examples: sales invoice, sales credit notes, purchase invoices, purchase credit notes, your checks, customer checks, till receipts, credit card receipts, timesheets, sales orders, delivery notes, and anything else that's usually on paper. Here is a sales invoice, the source document, with the daybook entry side by side. You can see the information taken from the sales invoice to be recorded in the sales invoice daybook by the bookkeeper. Here's the customer, here's the invoice number, and here's the total value of the sales invoice. Source documents with no financial values. There may not be financial values on some source documents, but they may be used to calculate financial values. For example, an engineer's timesheet will contain hours worked. These hours will then be billed and placed on a sales invoice. A delivery note may only contain the quantity and description of the items delivered, but may not show the price of the goods delivered. The price will be shown on the sales invoice. Source documents and supporting documents. In a manual bookkeeping system, the source documents for the sales invoice daybook are the sales invoices. The sales invoice may have supporting documents such as a sales order, a delivery note, or a customer purchase order. Indexing and filing source documents. It is important that the source documents, the paperwork, are indexed and filed for easy retrieval and can be found at any time to support a transaction. For example, a delivery note with a signature acknowledging the receipt of the delivered goods may be needed as evidence if a customer queries a sales invoice asking to prove that they got the goods. Source document. Here's the sales invoice. Here is a purchase invoice with the daybook entry side by side. You can see the information taken from the purchase invoice. Telephone. In addition to the supplier's reference number, here, we have put our own reference number on this source document so that we can better track this source document using our own index. So 101 appears on the source document, and we use that as our reference number in our daybook. The bookkeeper's role. Their role is to record information from the source documents into the relevant daybooks. Here are the daybooks with example source documents that will be recorded in those daybooks. The sales invoice daybook, a sales invoice. Sales credit note daybook, a sales credit note. Purchase invoice daybook, a supplier invoice. Purchase credit note daybook, a supplier credit note. Petty cash daybook, a local shop till receipt. Cash receipt daybook, customer checks. Cash disbursements daybook, your checks. This has been an explanation of source documents and their use in bookkeeping. Information on daybooks can be found in our other Now Explain Rough Cut videos. For more information, go to nowexplain.com. Thank you for watching.